Paradise. What a beautiful name.
So this is a newly launched hair color brand. Now the founder of this brand, Yushika, also happens to be a product of NIFT, and she's also a hair enthusiast. So I could just relate to the idea behind this whole brand right away, and I knew that I wanted to give this a try. So the package actually got delivered about almost 2 months back, but I have been sitting on it because I got COVID and I was exhausted 24/7, so you know the deal. But today finally we will give this product a good try. Firstly, I'll just quickly take you guys through the packaging and all the components that you will get inside this package. First up, when I see a good packaging, I appreciate it. The sort of fonts they have used, the colors, the placement, I'm just highly impressed by the graphics of the packaging. Now upon opening the package, the first thing that will catch your eye is this information sheet. It has all the guidelines regarding what to do, what not to do. Now just take a moment and look at this attention to detail. They have attached a small velcro at the bottom of the jar and at the bottom of the carton so that it doesn't get displaced during transportation. Moving on, you will find a pair of gloves and a small sachet of conditioner. Last but not the least, you will get a brush. At the first look, it seems like the body of the brush is made up of recycled plastic. And if that is so, it is really impressive. The bristles are chopped in a manner that it will be really good for feathering technique. So we will give this a go. So as you guys already know that I love my blues and purples. Those are again the shades that I picked up from this range. The first one is Crinkle Violet and the other one is Comrie Purple. Now I was expecting the violet shade to be a little bit more towards the purple side, but it happens to have a lot of blue in it, which is fine, nothing bothersome. And Comrie Purple just seems to be straight up purple. Now before we move on with the application, let me give you a little bit detail about the situation of my hair right now. So in this video we will test how these dyes perform on natural virgin hair, whether they coat them up with a slight tint or not, then how they work on bleached hair that isn't toned. So that means it has a lot of warmth, a lot of orange in it. Does it alter the shade of the dye? And then lastly, we'll check their vibrancy on these tips, which are really light, and since they have cool undertones and purplish tint, it will not hamper the color, the shade of the dyes, but it will be a good base to check the vibrancy of theirs. So with all that information aside, we can finally begin with the process. The consistency is quite fine, balanced, not too thick, not too thin. The formula seems like it will spread really easily and evenly. See all these warm bits, so much of orange in there. All of these will be covered with violet. And with that, the application process is done. I am left with just a tiny bit of violet and a lot of purple. Just used a tiny hint of it. So now I'll keep it on my head for half an hour or so, probably a little bit longer, just so that my hair soaks in all the conditioning base that this hair dye has. After that, I'll rinse it off, use the conditioner that was in the kit, and let's see how it works. Absolutely loving this combination of blue and purple, mostly blue with streaks of purple. It is giving me such outer space galaxy vibes, so definitely happy with the outcome. Okay, so let's begin with the pros. Now firstly, I want to give a shout out to the team of this brand. Now this point has nothing to do with how the dye performs, but just the overall idea behind this brand. It's a pleasure to see an Indian homegrown brand creating such colors for the Indian market, and this definitely was the need of the hour, because ever since the outbreak of the pandemic, it got really difficult to source such sort of fashion colors from abroad, and now they are just so easily available and accessible for the mass. Now let's talk about the formula. The consistency of the formula was that sweet spot. It was neither too runny, neither too thick. It was really easy to spread, and the application process was so easy. Now talking about the colors, they are definitely quite visible on the hair. If your hair is light enough, if the base is light enough, and it's not like it will just give you a hint of blue or just a hint of purple, it will be a bold shade on your hair. Now another point that I'm really glad for is that these dyes did not stain my washroom floor or the basin like some other dyes that do, and if you have watched my other videos you would know. Now another great point about this kit is its pricing. $7.95 for a big jar of color, brush, gloves, conditioner. It's quite a fair price. And if these dyes work for you, then you don't really have to go through the stress of ordering it from abroad and then having the stress about the customs and all. Now talking about the cons, or disclaimer if I may call it so, just few points that you should be aware of before diving into these dyes. Now firstly, I am a little bit confused with the naming of crinkle violet, because it is straight up true blue. There is no essence of violet in it. I will definitely try getting in touch with them, and I'll try to understand why is it so. It could also be, I am guessing it could also have to do with their fading process, since they said that their dyes fade much better in terms of the shades that they will fade in as compared to other dyes. So probably it has to do with the undertones of these dyes, and if I happen to get the answers, I'll update it in the description box so that the answers are accessible to you guys as well. Now coming on to the other point, your hair needs to be at least pre-lightened to level 5 or above, because if you are from level 1 to 4 or even 5, it is not going to show up. It won't even give you a tint or anything. It would just not cover anything at all. It best works on level 5, 6 to level 10, and if you want the color that is true to what is shown on the packaging, then at least a level 8 or 9 would be best for it. So even on my head you can see that it has covered these tips beautifully, because they were level 8 or 9 in terms of the lightness, whereas this mid section, it hasn't really given much tint to it, just a slight probably cover up, and my roots, they are as they were. So keep that in mind, that if you want to go for these shades, then your hair should be pre-lightened to a good level for them to show up. And last but not the least, I don't know why, it could be my application process, but there are a few patchy spots that I can notice, and as you can see here, it just did not cover up these parts at all. So even if your hair is level 4 or 5, at some places it would just not cover it up with any tint. So keep that in mind. Even here you can see that these bits haven't got any tint of blue or purple on it right here, and I was expecting that the blue or violet would at least cancel out the yellow tones, but that isn't the case. Now lastly, another thing that I found to be really strange is that on the conditioner, on the sachet of the conditioner, they have mentioned use this conditioner only with Paradise Semi-Permanent Hair Color. Now I can make out two things from it. Either they are asking to use only this particular conditioner with the Paradise Semi-Permanent Hair Color, or do they mean that this conditioner can only be used with Paradise Semi-Permanent Hair Color? I'm confused. Again, I'll try getting in touch with them and looking for answers. And if you guys want, you could also follow me on my Instagram if you want to see the journey of all the hair colors that I do, how they fade, what they fade into. So if you want more visual aid regarding hair colors and all, my Instagram would be a much better place to look at. And with all that information, we come to the end of this video. I absolutely love trying out new hair products and sharing my experiences with you. If there are any hair products, any hair colors that you guys want me to try out, definitely leave a comment. Let me know. I will get my hands on them and try them out for you. Now I'll take a leave. I'll meet you guys very soon in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.